Want to give your home a lavish look without breaking the bank? We've got some great low-budget tips to elevate your home's interiors and exteriors. And if you are wondering how to make these upgrades efficiently, Vasavi Infra Solutions is here to guide you through every step. Tip 1. Use direct profile lighting instead of a false ceiling. Not only does it create a modern look, but it also saves on costs without sacrificing style. Tip 2. Add textured wall finishes. Paints with texture or faux stone accents make your space look premium while staying budget-friendly. Have you ever regretted working with non-professionals who didn't deliver the look you wanted? Or worried about stretching your budget too far? Tip 10. Use MDF wall panels for that luxurious feel. They come in elegant designs and cost much less than traditional wood or marble finishes. Tip 4. Bring in greenery. Indoor plants or vertical gardens are affordable and make spaces look vibrant and luxurious. If you are not sure how to plan these upgrades efficiently, Vasavi Infra Solutions offers expert guidance on everything from budgeting to design. We are here to ensure you avoid unnecessary costs and delays. Tip 5. Go for minimalist furniture that maximizes your space. Smart layouts and lightweight pieces give a refined look without crowding your budget. Worried about whether you can achieve these looks within your budget or time frame? Vasavi Infra Solutions can help you find the best solutions for your needs. Tip 6. Add mirror accents and metallic touches. They brighten up your space, create a sense of luxury, and are surprisingly affordable. So, if you want a lavish home makeover on a budget, try these tips. And remember, if you have questions about managing costs, choosing materials, or optimizing your time frame, Vasavi Infra Solutions is here to help. Contact us today. Your home should be a place you love and feel proud of.